You get over there, geezer. Get back in here. Are you so skinny that you squeeze through? Come on, geezer. Come on. Come on. Come on, biggies. Come on. There you go. How'd you get in? Are you getting stuck, Roni? I don't know how you got through there in the first place.
Alright, come here, piggies.
Just pour it in the dish. Well, she's gonna get stuck. Okay, we'll go around. Hold on.